Okay.
Hello, and Mrs. Penn, Mr. Keeling.
It started recording.
Yes, it has started recording, Mr. Keeling. We are live right now.
Mr. Keeling,
the video has started recording.
Yes, we are live.
We are live.
Are you okay?
Yes, we are live.
Hey, Mr. Keeling.
Hi.
So, Miss Penn, you have brought us here today because you have an amazing idea to show our support for the NHS. Is that right?
Well, that's right. And actually, it wasn't my idea. Now, Hamad at school sent me an email saying that he really wanted to make one of the stars stroke snowflakes that I'd made with year 5 before. So that's why we're doing it. And I think this would be great to make an NHS star.
Whoa.
Okay. We can
Are we going to be able to make that?
Yeah, sure. You can do it. Yeah, one can do it. You can do it, Mr. Jordan, and you, Mr. Keeling.
I highly doubt that it will be quite as good as yours, Mrs. Penn, but I will certainly give it my best try.
Good.
So, Mr. Penn, if we're doing this at home, what equipment are we going to need?
Right, you're going to need 6 pieces of paper.
6, okay.
Now, if you're lucky enough to have rainbow coloured paper at home, then you could do it all different colours, which would be lovely. But obviously, we haven't always got everything at home. But you could make it out of anything. If you had, you could use it out an old letter, but you'd have to ask Mum and Dad first if it's okay.
Page of a magazine?
Yep, magazine, anything.
Now, Mrs. Penn, I know you said it would be nice if this was rainbow coloured. Would it be better to start with the white paper and colour it later, or should I colour the paper first if I am colouring?
Do you know what? You'd be better off colouring the paper first and then making it. Yeah.
Okay, great plan.
Fantastic. What else do we need then? So I've got my paper ready. Do I need anything else?
Yeah, scissors.
Scissors, got them.
Okay. Definitely scissors. And if you've got a stapler, that's great if you're allowed to use a stapler. But if not, sellotape. Any kind of sellotape will do.
Brilliant.
You could use glue, but it's better if you use sellotape or a stapler.
Excellent.
Okay, brilliant. So
And hands. You need hands.
Oh, got those.
Good. Brilliant.
right, I believe we're ready to go then. I've got my paper, I've got my scissors, I've got my sellotape. I believe Mr. Jordan and I will follow your example, Mrs. Penn, and we'll try and stay as closely to how you do it as possible.
Okay.
Please take it quite slow and easy for me.
I will. Right, with the first piece of paper, I'm going to make a square. And you do this by folding it, and I'm just doing it down here now, but I'll show you when I've done it. Can you see what I've done there? I've made it so that I've followed it along here, folded it down there to make a point at the end.
So make a sort of triangle, a right angle triangle.
Yeah.
And
then I'm going to cut this part off.
Okay.
So I'm going to cut that off now.
So should it show? Is this right, Mrs. Penn? It should look something like this, where it's folded exactly to the end of the page, like that.
Oh.
You'll have to.
Yours looks
can
good,
you
Mr.
see?
Keeling.
Does it look good?
Yeah, he's got it good, miss.
I thought his would be rubbish.
He's actually done it.
Right, brilliant. Okay, so now next job, cut that bit off.
Cut the fold at the bottom.
Yeah. So you end up with a folded square that is a right-angled triangle.
Oh, folded.
Brilliant.
Oh, there you go. Well done. That's great, Mr. Keeling. Good boy. You've done
Thank
really
you.
well there. Right, next job, we're going to fold that in half again.
Half again. So we're making another right angle triangle.
Another right angle triangle that is smaller.
Brilliant.
Have you got that?
Yeah.
I got it. I got confused when you said right angle, but I was looking at the wrong angles.
Oh, never mind. As long as they all add up to 180, we'll be fine. Now, is he okay, Mr. Jordan?
This looks really good. I'm worrying about mine. Mine doesn't line up exactly. Is that okay?
It's best if it does, but as long as it's not too wonky, Mr. Jordan.
Okie dokie. I got it. Okie dokie. Ready.
Okay. Right, next job. Now, this is the tricky bit where you can go really, really wrong. So watch carefully. On your triangle, you've got one side that opens like that. Can you see that?
Yes.
And the other side is folded.
So it doesn't open there, no.
No. Now, what we're going to do is cut along this folded side. Not the long side, not the longest side, but this folded side.
Okay.
Now, if you wanted to, you could draw the line on with a ruler and a pencil. But I'm not going to bother doing that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my cuts in. Now, watch carefully. I've turned it. There's the open side.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to cut along here, almost to the edge. I'm leaving about, I'd say 5 millimeters before the edge. Okay, although if you cut all the way, you're just going to cut it off. And I need to do 3 cuts. There's another cut. And another cut. Are you still with us, Mr. Keeling?
Yes, I'm still here. I'm just cutting along and focusing really, really hard not to cut through the end.
Yeah, that's the hard bit. That is the trickiest bit.
Okay, I think I've managed it this time.
Oh, good. Right, now open it up.
Right.
Ooh. And again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that's wonderful. And I've got myself a star. Wonderful. Great video, everyone. And
Okay.
that's it, right?
No, I think there's a little bit more to this, Mr. Keeling.
Oh, yes. Yes, you can't give up now, sir.
Right, there's more. Right.
You need to show a little bit of
Courage.
Persistence. Determination.
Resilience.
Resilience.
I got there first.
Let's have a bit of resilience. Now, the 2 middle bits here, okay, you're going to kind of curl them round so they overlap like that.
So you're talking about these 2 bits here, yeah?
Yeah,
these ones here. I'm going to curl them over. Okay. I'll
and
give
then,
that.
Then you're going to sellotape them.
All right, sellotape. Need the sellotape.
Or a stapler if you have one, right?
Or a stapler, yeah. Right, so there's mine done.
Oh, gosh. Got it.
Are you two okay? Do you need a hand or?
We're getting there.
Yeah, we're. I think I'm almost. Oh no, that's the wrong way around. Oh no, this is where. Oh no! Oh no!
Hey.
Oh no! Oh no!
It's okay.
Wait,
you
wait,
don't have
wait.
to rush. It's fine.
Okay, I think
I've done the middle one.
I've got it. I've got it.
Your resilience
Brilliant.
is fantastic. Right, now what we're going to do now is we're going to turn it round. And we're going to do the next 2.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Same direction.
No, you've got
Oh,
to.
opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you look, you've got one that way. And then
Yeah.
you turned your paper around, you're going to do that one.
Brilliant.
And
So-
at this point, I'm finding it quite hard, Mrs. Penn, to fold this over with one hand and get sellotape with the other. Might it be an idea to have some ready cut sellotape, or to have a little helper that could pass you the sellotape at this point?
Yeah, a little helper would be great, but I've actually got my sellotape already cut, and I didn't say that, so that was, very remiss of me. Yeah, if you can cut your sellotape off first, that's even better.
Great
Good
idea.
point
I
there,
wish I'd
good
thought of
point.
that before.
Might be worth pausing the video now and just getting a few bits of sellotape ready, right?
Yeah, I would, yeah.
You need,
So-
after this one, I think you need 2 more pieces, don't you? So if you've
Well,
already
yeah,
done
we're
the
gonna do
first,
this
you need 2 more
6 times,
folds.
Mr. Keeling.
Right. Okay, right. So now you're going to turn it round and you're going to do the next one. Same thing again.
Okay.
Okay.
You know what, Mrs. Penn? I think I'm actually getting the hang of this now.
Yeah, I think I am too.
Do you know what? Once you've done one, you can turn into a little factory because you've got to make 6.
6? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because snowflakes have 6 points, so that's why we're doing 6. But we can call this a star or a snowflake or a decoration, really. So I've done 3 now, and I'm just going to do my last one.
Yeah.
Same thing again, folding it over.
It's quite nice to put this up for Eid at the end of Ramadan as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I've done that before actually for Eid as an Eid decoration, and we've done it for Christmas decorations. But I think they're great for anything really.
Brilliant.
They're just attractive, aren't they?
Yes, they're certainly very pretty.
And there we go. We've got one there.
Right. Wow. I think it turned out really well.
Yeah, I'm quite proud of that.
Yeah, I mean, if you could just do one, it'd be great, wouldn't it, and have it hanging?
Yeah.
But really, what you need to do now is make how many more? Because I've got 1, but I need 6. So how many more?
Well, how many more question is subtraction, isn't it? So
it's subtraction.
Subtract 1, which would be 5.
Yeah, so you've got to make 5 more.
And actually, just looking at this like this, you could do a lot with that shape, couldn't you? If you wanted to, I could imagine having that all in red, and you could add a green stem to it, and it could be a flower decoration as well. If you just did that.
Yeah, that'd be lovely. Would be gorgeous.
With some sparkles as well, it would look really nice. You could hold it up on string, and it will spin around, won't it?
Oh yeah, if you've got any glitter, wow, it'd be fantastic.
I certainly think that attempt was better. My first attempt at making this with Mrs. Penn turned out not quite as artistic, but I did indicate that it is a star. So that was the first go.
Yeah.
But this one
you tried. That's what counts, isn't it, Mr. Keeling? You tried.
I did try. So once I've got this, Mrs. Penn, what do I do next?
Right, you've got to make 5 more of these,
and
then basically you have to stick them. What I did when I did mine, I got 3 and sellotaped 3 together.
Okay.
And then sellotape the other 3 together, and then joined them all together.
Brilliant.
Fantastic. And it looks absolutely brilliant, doesn't it?
It is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Brilliant. So that is our NHS celebration, Eid celebration, whatever it might be, but a lovely bit of craft and art that we can do at home, right?
Definitely. Yeah.
And I suppose that if any of the children...
Oh, sorry.
Pen?
I was going to say, if anyone wants me to make anything else, just email your year group, and your year group leader will pass it on to me.
Absolutely, we will.
And if anyone has any pictures of their decorations that they made from this video, we'd love to see pictures of them sent to the email addresses as well.
I'll love it. That's great. You could put it, if you put it in your window at home, you could take a picture of what it looks like in the window as well.
Ooh, as long as we're keeping a safe distance from other people. Sounds great.
As long as we're keeping a safe distance, at least 2 meters.
Right. Well,
okay.
I'm going to end it there. So thank you, guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
See you all later. Bye.